This is Zeus. Zeus in round number 90. We're going to meet the kitty. Come on, Zeus. What do you say about Tom Tom? Say hi, Tom. Hi, kitty. Aww. I think he's good. That is one relaxed puppy. What a good boy. Come here, Sue. Say hi to the kitty. Say hi, Tom. Say hello. Tommy is rubbing up on you. Hey. Good boy. He's wagging his tail. Well, now he's staring.
Hi. Oh, look at you. Oh, he's like loving, isn't he?
Staring. He walked around and didn't care. Now he's staring. Yeah, he's heart reversed.
So, your number? Because,
Well, I don't want to say it on the video. Then the whole world will be calling me. I just want to make sure that that's not a stare down. But he's also coughing, so.
or just
He is. What are you doing? You're just staring at my kitty, and the kitty is like, No, he's intent.
yeah.
But he walked all around and sniffed it, couldn't care less. And now all of a sudden he's frozen.
He's like, what is that? Have you never seen one of those before?
You know,
Handsome?
I don't know. He just needs to get out of that frozen mode. You can barely walk in here, can you? Hard to walk in here for you. Well, I don't know. I don't see aggression, but I sure don't like them staring at my kitty. Neither does Tom. He turns away from him. It's like, yeah, I'm just going to give you my butt.